Okay, so let's take a look at how you can enable and disable notifications in Microsoft Edge. So open your browser, and in the right hand side you will see this settings menu, and here you have to navigate to settings options. Click on that. That should open a new tab where on left hand side, okay, here you can see site permissions. Okay, now you have to go for notification from this option. Click on it and you will find the list of the options for site notifications. So first is ask before sending, which is set to recommended. You can completely block this if you want, and then you can choose to block individual website or allow them. Okay, so let's say if I want to completely block from Xiaomi's website, so I can add that URL here, and if I want to allow, I can copy and paste the base URL here and it will be listed. So add and remove mode should look something like this, and block would look something like this. Okay, so you get the idea how to enable and disable notifications in Microsoft Edge.